This is just a chart of the US job posting between 2019 and 2022. You see that there is this general increase in demand for data analysts or tech positions.
Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel. My name is Premise AK, and on this channel we talk about data sciences, machine learning, artificial intelligence, and other technological advancements. So if you're interested in this, please click on the subscribe button so you're part of this community, and on the notification bell so you're alerted whenever I post any new video. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much. Thanks for always coming around. In today's video, we'll be talking about transitioning to data sciences. Data science offers numerous advantages, not only to individuals looking for new career opportunities, but also for companies or businesses looking to stay ahead in their various industries. So yeah, I will cover the benefits and the importance of transitioning, importance of data science, what data science can, how data science can be advantageous to you as an individual and as a business. I will cover the different job roles in the data space. As an individual, you know, if you want to get into this field, you know, with the combination of your interest, your passion and skill set, you know the roles to go for. And also as for businesses, if you want to employ or recruit people for these different roles, you know which to recruit for and why and what they do. I will also give you practical steps to transitioning. So if you want to transition as an individual, I give you the 5 D's of transitioning. And also as a business, you want to transition, what are those things, practical steps you could take to transition as a business owner or a company. Ensure you watch to the end of the video to get the full details about transitioning and all you need to know basically. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.
First of all, data is everywhere. The rapid growth of data made it one of the most valuable tool or valuable resources in the world today. A lot of people say data is the new oil, so everybody wants to, because this is a trending thing, people want to get into it, and it's one of those attractive career in the last couple of years. I will show you some chart to see the increase in the demand for the role of data scientist, data analyst. So for this presentation, I've just grouped data analytics and data sciences into one basically, but they are different things. Yeah, so first of all, you want to ask, what is data analytics? Is the act of analyzing data, interpreting data sets to gain insights from it, and with this insight, companies and businesses can make informed business decisions to help their business prosper or succeed, as the case may be. Some of the benefits of data analytics to businesses, how data analytics can help your business. First of all, it can help improve decision making. Most companies are moving into data-driven decision making, and if you analyze the data, you can better make some business decision based on historic data and also project into the future. You can also help you increase efficiency, because data, like, it's a well-rounded field. It looks at not only making your decision, you can also look at lapses in your business or areas of inefficiency and help you increase your efficiency. It can also help you, it also give you insight to your customer needs and wants, and what just give you an insight to what your customer needs. And also with it, it's also data. You can analyze this data and also look for ways to help meet your customers' needs or solve your customers' needs, and it gives your business, so now I'm talking about business, it gives your business competitive advantage, because when you analyze your data, you understand your strengths, your weaknesses, porous areas in the marketplace, so you can better condition your innovations or your business services or products to better suit your consumers, thereby giving you advantage over your competitors. And also, data can help you make innovation. Going into data sciences, you can help businesses identify areas for improvement or new market opportunities and create more innovative products. This being said, I'll go quickly into data roles in the industry. A lot of people, when you hear data, what comes to mind is data analytics or data sciences, but aside this, there are other roles within the industry that people can take advantage of. So it depends on your passion or your skills or what you're good at. So we have data strategies. So I just kind of aligned a typical workflow of how processes move within the data space. There are other ones that I didn't capture here because they are not directly related to data. These are some of the data typical roles. So we have a data strategist. These are more experienced people within the industry, basically, and they kind of plan, okay, what data do we need to help that would help our business, and how can we source this data? We have a data architect that builds workflow or a concept of how the data should work. In most companies, the data architect and data engineers are one, but sometimes it can be separated. Data engineers are people that handles the work, the databases. Basically, they build infrastructure, they source for data, they transform this data, they store the data. And from there, a data analyst, a business analyst, or a data scientist can pick this data to carry out their different operations or 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 activities. But a data analyst, the data analyst is focused on the data itself. It looks at the data, comes up with insights and patterns about this data. A business analyst kind of looks at things from the business perspective. They are more focused on the business part of the business, and a data scientist kind of analyzes this data and make future prediction. So you may want to ask me, so what's the difference between these three roles? I'll give you a scenario. I have a company that I manufacture soap. What a data analyst will look at is, what's our sales profit for this soap I'm making? How is it impacting the consumer or end user? A business analyst will be looking for how we can market this product, for example. Who are the people who are our target audience, or who are our target clients, and how do we reach them? A the scientist will look at the data from both the data analyst, from the business analyst, analyze this data, and also look for how to make prediction. So if you say we sold 1,000 soap in the last month, how can we how much are we going to sell in coming months, and how can we improve that? What other innovative ways can we derive from the data from these different sources? A machine learning engineer looks at the data and also trains machine learning models to make predictions or carry out certain functions. And a machine learning operations engineer kind of deploys this model. So you've seen that I've talked about different roles all within the data space. So just as a form of engagement, I would like to know in the comment section, based on what I've talked about and your skills, which of these roles do you think you can better function? Now you're going to ask yourself, why data analysis? Why would I want to get into data analytics? First of all, there is an increase in demand for data analytics. Like, if you remember during my introduction, I talked about companies are collecting more data. So if they're collecting more data, what would they do with the data? You won't collect data and just store it, right? You need people to help you analyze this data. So if you come into there's an increase in demand for data analysis, so people need you. This is just a chart of the US job posting between 2019 and 2022. You see that there is this general increase in demand for data analysts or tech positions in general. So data sciences or data analysis can also help in decision making. Like, it can help businesses in decision making, and if you are able to function in this space or in this career, you help company and you become priceless to your organization, because you are helping them make better decisions to help meet their overall objective as a business. You can also help in development, because definitely you're going to learn new skills. So it's definitely going to help develop you personally. Different industries, like I said, within the data space, you can work in different industries. So I've seen data scientists that can work, you can, as a data scientist or a data analyst, with your skill, you can work in the banking industry, like finance industry, medical industries. So whatever, as long as you have the skill, you are not kind of confined within a box. Its application is widespread across different industries. Also, it's an opportunity for career growth. Data analysts are one of those top people that companies are looking for. So it puts you on a kind of pedestal in your career development. And with data analytics, it's not about just data analytics. There are a lot of business and soft skill that come along with that you need to learn. So definitely improving you as a person and also helping you progress in your career. Finally, it can also it's a potential for high earning across the world. Data analysts are paid huge amount of money, so it's an opportunity for you to earn more. You don't have to focus about the money, but let's tell ourselves the truth. You need to pay bills. You need to go on those nice vacations, and you need money for these things. So definitely, data analytics can also help you with those things. Yeah. So first of all, if you want to transition, you should know your why, because a lot of people transition for different things. Some people transition because of they want to get more challenging roles, some people for better prospects, and some people because of their passion for technology. So I just define some practical ways if you want to transition. I call them the 5 Ds of transitioning. First of all, you have to define the role you want based on your skills. Choose the role you want to do based on your skills and your passion. You need to devote time to learn, because you have to learn new skills. So devoted learning is a key one. You also develop your skill. By developing, you apply your skills. When you learn the skills, you apply them on real data set. There are lots of real world data set out there that you can use to develop your skills. You demonstrate. What I mean by demonstrating, you build a strong portfolio for your project. So there is GitHub where you can store things. There is LinkedIn where you can show what you do to demonstrate your capacity or your skills. And also you need to depend on people. You need community. There are lots of online communities that you can part of, that you can learn from, basically. And also talked about transitioning for companies. I'll just scratch through. You have to have clear objective as a company. You need personal development. You need to train your people, or you need to hire new people. As a company, you should invest in technology. You should know when to build and when to buy. Sometimes you build things from scratch. Sometimes you buy existing technology. You need to partner with people. It's very key. And also establish data-driven culture. Yeah, this is just a summary of what I've said. Data is growing. You need a combination of different skills. You need to position yourself to be at the top of your game as a professional.
Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you found it interesting and you've been able to pick up some practical steps you need to begin your transition journey as a business owner or as an individual looking for other career opportunities. If you found it interesting, don't forget to like, share to your colleagues, friends, people you think can benefit from this content. See you on the next one.